Dear students, we are studying today new topic that is called as parallel resonance, shunt resonance or anti-resonance. First of all, you observe the circuit connections. Here a capacitor, inductor and supply voltage are in parallel with each other. So it is called as a parallel RLC circuit. In this circuit, the thing that we have seen in series RLC circuit is considered exactly in opposition. That is, at series resonance current is maximum. Here in shunt resonance current is minimum at resonance. Similar for impedance, similar for connections. If we are going to see impedance in series RLC circuit, here we will concentrate on admittance. We know connection between impedance and admittance is exactly inversely proportional. So let us start parallel resonance circuits. Basically, condition for resonance is same, that is when capacitive reactance becomes equal to inductive reactance, we say resonance has been occurred, and the frequency at which this occurs is called as a resonant frequency. So when Xc is equal to XL, the two branch currents are equal in magnitude but 180 degree out of phase with each other. Therefore, the two currents in these two branches, that is capacitor branch, this is the first branch and this is the second branch. So these two currents are equal in magnitude but opposite in phase, so they cancel each other at resonance and the total current is 0. So the condition for resonance occurs when XL becomes equal to Xc. So we will see the term admittance here. Y is equal to 1 by Z. Admittance is indicated by Y. So here Y we are considering, Y is equal to 1 by Z. So if inductive reactance is given by RL plus J omega L, the admittance for this susceptance or the admittance for the same will be 1 upon this thing. Similarly, this is also 1 upon RC minus J omega C. So we are indicating the total admittance of the circuit exactly 1 upon RL plus J omega L plus 1 upon RC minus J omega C, like this. So in this way we are indicating total admittance of the circuit.